this is a big myth in crypto right now. A lot of people don't realize it, but yes, you do pay taxes on earned interest. It's actually income, similar to a dividend. So the best way to explain it, right? You collect dividend from Apple and you receive your 1099 at the end of the year. There's a whole line item that says, dividends received. And on your tax return, there's, a dividends line. You put that in separately. So technically, that's very similar. When you're earning interest, there's interest income. It's another line of interest income. So there's no difference between interest income from equities versus interest income from cryptocurrency. And how is that taxed? That's taxed at your income tax rate. So whatever your rate is, you will pay that amount of taxes, that percentage on your interest. So anyone that's on Celsius, anyone that's on Nexo, owning these stable coins are earning interest, yield farming, that's how it's going to be taxed. And when you do your crypto tax software, when you're on there actually categorizing these things, that's something to really pay attention to, because a lot of times you end up getting taxed 2 times on interest. This is a real big problem with the tax softwares right now that I'm noticing. I've done hundreds of these calculations at this point, and every tax software is a little finicky. The complexity of the transactions in crypto have gotten way too far from comparison to even 2017. Like going back, I remember using Zenledger back in the day, and it would calculate excellently. But now I'm having a lot of problems. I use a variety of different tax softwares at this point because I'm having this problem. Anything with staking, yield farming, liquidity pools, rebasing coins, all of these assets are really, really finicky when you put them into the tax software. So definitely take a look at this. Definitely take a look at all those transactions, because sometimes you're taxed 2 times. So what you can do to alleviate this is, one, you can delete out that transaction and write a little memo saying this is a duplicate transaction, I've removed it. Just so you have a note. So God forbid you ever are audited, you want that documentation. That's one recommendation, a pro tip, just from doing so many of these, of things that I've seen and problems that, everyday investors come across.